You are going to love the 2025 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.